Hey, Grant Success family. Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest grant opportunities that can help you take your business to the next level. Today, I've got some incredible grants lined up that you won't want to miss. So grab a pen, take notes, and let's jump right in. And first, right here, we have the Heinz Black Kitchen Initiative. Let me say that again. Heinz Black Kitchen Initiative. It's an amazing opportunity for Black-owned food and service-based businesses. This grant offers $20,000 to help you overcome challenges, expand your operations, and achieve long-term success. But you have to act fast. Applications close at 11:59 p.m. on September 15th, 2024. To be eligible, your business must be at least 51% Black-owned and fall under one of these categories: bakeries, restaurants, cafes, pop-ups, farmers markets, or catering businesses. You also need to have a current business license and state sales tax ID. Plus, they're asking for a personal statement of 200 words or less describing how your business contributes to the legacy of Black voices in the American culinary landscape. Along with a $20,000 grant, winners will receive mentorship and other resources to help their business thrive. So if you fit the bill, don't wait. Get that application in today. So let's look at that application. Okay, so here's the application for the Black Kitchen Initiative, Year 4, sponsored by Heinz. You got your basic biographical information here. Your applicant name, phone number, email address, your basic bio information, business name, type, your business bio information here, your website. And again, we've got to have our EIN number here, your state sales tax number. You're going to need your proof of sales 2022, your proof of sales 2023, and your projected sales for 2024. This is asking you for the number of locations that you have, what percentage of the business do you own, and these are the questions about providing descriptions. So this first one is asking you to please provide a brief description of your business in 200 to 500 words. Please provide a vision for where you want your business to be a few years from now in 200 to 500 words. In 200 to 500 words, how will receiving this grant help you execute your goals and vision? Please provide a personal statement that describes how your business contributes to the legacy of Black voices in the American culinary landscape. Describe how you have been active or will be active in your community in 200 to 500 words. And lastly, please submit 2 letters of reference, one from a current employer or former employee, and one from a community member. The reference letter should include name, contact information, and relationship to applicant. And once you have all of that information there, you're going to submit, and that is going to be all for that application. And next up, let's talk about the MLK Corridor Improvement Authority and their third round of funding. This grant is all about revitalizing the Southside Jackson, Michigan area and supporting local businesses along the MLK corridor. They're offering up to $50,000 per business with a total of $250,000 planned for distribution. They have a pre-application for this particular grant. It is through September the 6th. So make sure you start the process very soon before the deadline. And here's a press release kind of just showing you or telling you the information about the MLK Corridor Improvement Authority. So again, this is going to be the third round of funding, and it begins with the pre-application period, which runs through September 6th at midnight. And the award for this grant is going to be up to a maximum of $50,000 per business, up to a total of $250,000 total is planned for distribution. Entrepreneurial and real estate fund grants can be used to upgrade buildings or spaces, cover operational costs, and acquire marketing, legal, accounting, and technology services. The first two rounds awarded $50,000 grants for a total of $750,000 invested. The pre-application process is designed to assess applicants' readiness to receive the funds and to identify those who may benefit from additional technical assistance or further development before moving on to the general application process. In looking at this grid here, this is kind of showing you the corridor for the MLK corridor. They have about 448 locations in this corridor, and you can get this information from I'll leave the URL in the comments, but you'll be able to look at this grid to see where you are and if you are within this Jackson, Michigan corridor. This is the actual job form for the pre-application. It's going to be asking you for business information, owner, and location information. And again, they're just trying to assess if you're in the corridor, where you are within your business so that they can assess your application for the grant. This is a fantastic opportunity to not only grow your business, but also contribute to the revitalization of your community. And next up, we have the it's called the Start, Pivot, Grow Micro Grant. Now, it may be a little bit smaller, but still significant grant. This $2,500 grant is designed to give a financial boost to small businesses for things like utilities, inventory, and marketing. The application is open for the third quarter of 2024. The deadline for this application is going to be September 30th, 2024, and the requirements are pretty straightforward. To qualify, you need to have been in business for at least 2 years with an annual revenue of $50,000 or more and 1 to 2 employees, including yourself. And again, this grant is a little smaller, but it can be great in covering essential expenses and keeping your business running smoothly. And if you scroll down here, this is what the application looks like. It's very straightforward. Like I said, it's going to be asking you again the basic biographical information with your first, last name, company name, email. You're going to include your EIN number, your company URL. And then this question here is, please describe in full detail how you intend to utilize the $2,500 grant if awarded. Break down your proposed use of the funds and how this will impact your business. And once you're done with that, that is it. You'll just hit the submit button and you'll be done with that. And the next up we have is going to be the Women's Business Development Council grant. It's called Ignite. Ignite is designed to help women-owned businesses grow. This grant offers up to $10,000 to qualified women-owned businesses in Connecticut. The application period is open from August 12th to September 24th, and the grant is designed to fund projects that will have a measurable impact on your business's growth and profitability. To be eligible, your business must be 51% or more women-owned, headquartered in Connecticut, and have a record of annual sales between $25,000 and $2 million. You must also have invested at least $2,500 into your business in the past 12 months, unless you're located in a distressed municipality. This grant is a fantastic opportunity for women entrepreneurs to take their businesses to the next level. So don't miss out. Again, this is going to be the Women's Business Development Council. It's called Ignite, and it's designed to help women-owned businesses grow. The grants are between $2,500 and $10,000 will be awarded for clearly defined projects that will have a measurable impact on the business, its growth, and profitability. The grant funds cannot be used towards operating expenses, inventory, ongoing marketing expenses, real estate improvement, reimbursement for past purchases, or debt repayment. And let me read the eligibility criteria again. Your business must be 51% or more women-owned, be headquartered in Connecticut, registered in the state of Connecticut, and owned by a Connecticut resident. Have been in business for at least 2 years before the application round deadline with a record of sales. Have a record of annual sales revenue in the last 12 months greater than $25,000 and less than $2 million. Must be in good standing with the Connecticut Department of Revenue Services. Have an established business checking account. Currently utilize a formal digital bookkeeping financial system like QuickBooks, Sage, FreshBooks, etc. Be a for-profit business. Be owned by a woman at least 18 years old and have invested at least $2,500 into your business in the last 12 months. Below is some information that you can register for information sessions. They have an upcoming one on Wednesday, September 4th. And I think this is the last one here is September 19th at 6:30 p.m. And when you click this to apply, you actually have to sign up for your credentials. So you'll need to put in a email address and password, and you'll be able to sign up and apply for the grant. There you have it, folks. 4 amazing grant opportunities that could bring significant financial support to your business. If any of these grants sound like a fit for you, don't hesitate. Start your applications today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest grant opportunities. Also, make sure to watch this video to the end as it helps the algorithm. And again, as always, if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll help you right away. So make sure if you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you right away. Also, check out the links in the description for more detailed information on how to apply. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the Grant Success Channel. See you later.